To optimize your Windows performance, we are going to ensure the SysMain service is running correctly. So start by processing the window key plus R key all together on your keyboard to open the Run dialog box. In the text field, you need to type the com xp.ms and hit enter. OK. To launch the service management console, click on this services. So once the window opens and scroll down through the alphabetically list, you find the entry name SysMain. This was formerly known as Superfetch. This is the SysMain. Right click and click on the properties. In the center of the properties window, look for the startup type and click on this arrow and make it automatic. And click apply and click OK. To save your changes and close the window, your system will now proactively manage your memory for faster app launches. Now restart your computer. The benefits enabling SysMain automatic to faster app launches, reduce disk load, and improve boot efficiency and smart memory management. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.